Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's first of all switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Then let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner and here we have to find video size. So let's simply tap on it and you can see that we've got 3 different options, so all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use all, choose HD. It will be immediately applied, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.